Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. How many people are in your family?
There are 4 of us.
Which year were you born?
In 1942.
When's your birthday?
On April 12th.
How old is your brother?
He's 25. What time does class start?
It starts at 9 o'clock. What classes are you taking?
Chemistry, English, and math.
When is the homework due?
It's due on Monday. Where do you usually study?
In the library or at home? How often do you practice? Usually twice a week. How long does the exam take?
About 90 minutes.
Can I borrow a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Can you help me out?
Sure. What do you need? Could you help me with this question? Okay. What's the problem? Care for some hot chocolate?
Yes, please. I love sweet things.
Would you like some tea?
Okay, but I prefer coffee.
I'd like steak tonight.
I'd rather have chicken.
Does this pie taste okay?
It's good, but it's a bit too sweet.
How's that soup? It's spicy. This dinner is super.
Yes, it's delicious.
How do you like the fries?
They're a bit too salty. What time is it?
It's 2:30.
Could you tell me the time?
Yes, it's 10 till 9.
What time will you meet her?
At 6:30. What day of the week is it?
It's Monday. When was your birthday?
It was on the 1st of the month.
What's today's date?
It's May 26th.
How long was the meeting?
It was 2 hours. How long does it take to get there?
It takes 30 minutes.
Excuse me, how do I get to the subway station?
Go straight for 3 blocks.
What side of the street is it on? It's on the right side.
Where should I turn for the supermarket?
Turn left at the intersection. Is it far from here to the airport?
No, not very. How far is it to the museum?
It's about 3 kilometers. Excuse me, is the bookstore on 2nd Street?
No, it's on 3rd Street.
Is the middle school on Elm Street?
Yes, it's opposite the park. Is the zoo on 1st Street or Main?
It's on the corner of 1st and Main. Where did you go?
To Paris and Rome. How was your trip?
It was great.
What did you do?
Mostly sightseeing. Have you ever been to Thailand?
No, not yet. Have you gone there before?
Once, in 1996.
How was the food?
A little too spicy.
What did you think of the Taj Mahal?
It was magnificent.
What was Bangkok like?
It was noisy and crowded. What kind of weather do you like?
I like sunny days. What's the weather like?
It's cloudy and cold.
Let's go for a walk.
No, it's too hot and humid. Is it going to rain today?
It looks like it. How's the weather?
It's nice and cool.
How's the weather going to be today?
It looks like snow.
Is it going to cool off soon?
No, it's going to stay warm.
Will it be cold this weekend?
Yes, it'll be freezing.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy playing golf.
What do you like to do?
I like reading and hiking.
What kinds of movies do you like?
I like action movies the most. How often do you go dancing?
Once or twice a month. How many times have you visited Canada?
3 times. Can you play tennis? Yes, but I'm not very good.
Are you good at skiing?
No, I'm terrible. How well can you play guitar? I can play pretty well.
What's your favorite sport? I really like tennis. Do you like to play football? Yes, it's a lot of fun. What do you do for exercise?
I usually go jogging.
Are you good at taekwondo?
No, I've never tried it.
Are you good at basketball?
Yes, I'm really good at it. How good are you at biking?
I am pretty good. How often do you run?
About 3 times a week. Do you exercise much? No, I hardly ever go outside. You look pale. Are you okay?
No, I have a bad stomach ache. Do you feel well?
Yes, I'm fine.
How's your flu?
It's gone. I feel much better. What do you do when you have a cold?
Drink lots of water and get plenty of rest. I really want to lose weight.
You should eat less and exercise more.
My skin is so dry and itchy.
Did you try putting on some lotion?
My legs are killing me.
Do you want to sit down for a while? I'm so sick of this toothache.
You'd better see a dentist. What skills do you have? I can design web pages.
Would you spell your last name, please?
It's Miller. Why did you apply to this company? I'd like to work in a fast-growing company.
How do you like it here?
It's great. Everybody's really friendly. How long have you been working here?
I just started last week. What made you decide to move here? I wanted to live somewhere warm.
Are you going to finish on time? No, we're behind schedule.
Can I have time off next week? I'm sorry, but we're too busy right now.
How long is it going to take you? At least 2 or 3 hours. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
See you later.
Okay, see you.
Take it easy.
You too.